What's up, everyone? It's me again, and I'm here to talk about SwagBucks. It's the way I make money online. It actually does pay, it's legit, reliable, and they're gonna give you money as long as you do their stuff. So, without further ado, I'm gonna explain this real quick for y'all. So, basically, you have many ways to make money on here. Now, this isn't like a hey, I'm gonna quit my job and switch to SwagBucks. I mean, you can if your job's really shitty, but I recommend not doing that. Um, there is a way you can make more than your job with this, I guess, but you're gonna have to be on this thing all day. Like again, I don't recommend it. But this can be an extra little side thing during the pandemic since you're home a lot more than normal. This is good for teens. It's easy and you're gonna like it. So basically, you start off with your main page with your surveys. Your surveys are gonna be the easy little swag bucks you can make. Each swag buck is equivalent to one US penny. So if you get 100 of them, you've made yourself $1. Now it isn't that hard to make them now. As you can see, in 30 minutes you can make $1.75. Now that's really cheap, like that's a little bit, but this isn't really 30 minutes. If you can answer them well and fast, you can do a lot less than 30 minutes. I will assure you of that. Here we go, 25 cents in 5 minutes. This is just a little thing you can do. It'll pass your time while in the pandemic. Also, there's other things such as tasks, if I can find them here. The tasks, I mainly like doing them from mobile because this is also on mobile. It works a lot better there. I can skip the tour here. Let me see if there's any. Here we go. I don't know. I don't even know how these works. I don't do them on here. I mainly use this on mobile, but it also works on the PC. PC is better for doing your tasks. There's daily polls every day. It gives you a swag buck each day. I really don't know what the swag button is, to be honest, but I'm basically just surveys, tasks. Oh, here we go. Here's everything. So as you can see, you play this game right here. You get to level 115. This is a slots game, right? This is one of those games. You literally just hold a thing, put it on auto roll. It spins and spins. You level up on your own. I believe this one is you get to level 115, which if you just, try, you can get that in maybe a day or two, and you make 40 bucks. All right, very simple. I would recommend doing these. They're free. There was another one on here. I'm not sure I can find it. If I do, I will let y'all know. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. But it was some solitaire one. It was you can spend maybe $2. Some of them are like you have to spend, but you'll make more back than you did spend. Or if not, you'll break even. So it's basically like you spent nothing. But one of these was you spend a certain amount in a game. Maybe $2 I put, and I got $40 in swag bucks back, and now I have $40 in Amazon credit I can use. And let's see, here you go. You can redeem over here. As you can see, $25 swagbook gift card for $22 ish in swagbook money. I think we can see here my activity of me withdrawing some. Like right here, you have $10 gift card here, $10 there, $25 there. That all came from this right here, where I got 4,000 swag bucks, and that did not take long at all. To be honest, that took me 2 minutes. It just took a little bit to get in. But you can make real money off this, and this is a legit program. I do recommend using, and I'm going to leave my referral link in the description. It's going to benefit you by giving you some free swag bucks to start off, so free money in the start. It's going to benefit me by giving me referrals and makes me look better to them, and also gives me a little bit, the same amount it gives you. So if I think it's 150 or 300, something like that, it's also going to give me that. It's a really good system. I really recommend it. Try it out. If you don't like it, just uninstall it. It's as simple as that. But that's all I can really say about it. It's an amazing app. Here is my referral stuff right here. Yep, I'm just gonna be pasting these links in the description. And here, as you can also see, they have a little browser extension up here. I don't have it open right now. But if you just install it onto your laptop, I get 100 and you get 100. It's a great deal. So please, I recommend it, and good luck on making tons of money.